Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on PEPEcoin price prediction for June 2024, aiming to discover and portray the numbers around. This is a cryptocurrency situated on $2.5 billion for the last 24 hours. It has been performing extremely well. We went all-time high, producing huge results, especially with 2x or 3x leverage. You get tons of money out of this. 48% movement to the upside in the last 7 days. We're going to talk about what are the expectancies for June 2024. And before we get into the topic, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, including the total 2 chart, which is the crypto market cap excluding BTC. So what do we do here is we look into the altcoins, and we clearly see how strongly we moved at the time. Ethereum performed very well with the ETF discussion, which I believe is just the beginning of something extremely powerful about to start. $1.1 trillion on the market cap side, with the ability, after reconfirming the breakout, rejecting basically to falling below, and having the capability to retesting the highs on the 1.24. We're actually talking about a situation here which is having clearly the capability to break out of the previous triple top structure by us changing the environment. So the whole space looks very good in a nutshell for a movement to the upside and restart a such phase that is going to look like that day after day. Before we continue, for those of you interested in education one-on-one with me and would like to become a professional trader, serious trader about a topic, this is a one-on-one coaching with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, including to participate in my trades, completely done for you without any prior fees, just commission from the profits achieved. I'll talk about at the end of the video, guys. Now, PEPEcoin 4-hour candlesticks, this is where we are. I'd like to share with you on 4 hours first to portray the fact that we're getting supported very well by 20 days moving average, the land one, which is extremely important, indicating of a market continuation capability. You need that. On top of that, I'd like to go to the daily where the discussion starts and share with you that, the all-time high continuation and breakout is something very important. PEPEcoin is usually forecasting, but the idea here is that we're sitting in the middle of nowhere right now and we're not near touching any form of a top or so. Definitely PEPEcoin has an extreme buying pressure around the corner. The number 2 extension sits right there, which is also something that we should attack. But at the end of the day, I do consider that we have capabilities to get into the 2.618, which is, definitely higher than what we're trading right now, definitely another 35% movement. If there is going to be an altcoin rally in the upcoming couple of months, PEPEcoin is going to deliver these numbers and eventually get into the number 3 extension. But right now, speaking about June, well, June is definitely targeting the 2.618 as a main target. The number 2 extension as well could be dangerous for a minor reversal into 1.618. That's true, right? So you could do something like that and then continue basically for the 2.618. It really depends how does the altcoins and the BTC and the Ethereum is going to behave at this level, but we're definitely expecting even from the Ethereum to get into the all-time high in June and retest those levels from the phase it is at the moment, including with the majority of other altcoins that should take their responsibility and drive through very powerful situations, right? So PEPE, first target, the 2,205, the 2.618 extension right there. And that is, quite of a strong target out here after seeing so much increase going on. A cryptocurrency like this is going to be driven to the highs as long as you have basically the market context. Without the context, without the bullishness around, obviously expectancies of retracement corrections are always sitting right there. The 1,300 of the price action is going to be a level that you guys should always consider a good opportunity. Beautiful. That's where we are. That's pretty much all around the topic. 2.618 sits for the main target for June, folks. Any probability of pullback should be very well considered as great opportunities when we talk about meaningful level pullbacks. Enjoy. Check out this video till the end to find out more about it and have a good time. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time, but the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high, and that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.